Hi, my name is Patricia Fonte. I'm an estate planning attorney, and I am not my client's only advisor. Most of my clients need referrals, and quite a few referrals. It is a big part of my work to ensure that every single one of my clients has a terrific financial advisor and they're maximizing that relationship, that they have a wonderful CPA and they're maximizing that relationship, that they have the best possible insurance, whether that's renter's insurance, homeowners, umbrella, life, disability, long-term care. Can I help them with these things? I cannot. I'm an estate planning attorney. But what I can do is introduce them to professionals in my network who I know well and I have vetted that I think will work well with that client based on their assets, their personality, and their expectations. As we always say at Fonte Law, my network is your network, and we're pretty proud of our network. My name is Patricia. I'm the founder of Fonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. And what estate planning with heart means is we don't stop at the four corners of your document.